Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here using the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe Vault Collection palette using Bling Boss. And now I'm going to start off with the shade Rockstar and start packing that all over my crease, making sure I really pack it on and it's a vibrant color. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to be blending out my edges so it's not that harsh and so I can switch up to my next color. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking Hush Hush and I'm going to be using this to blend out Rockstar so it can be more blended out. Alright, so now I'm just going back in with Rockstar. This is a process. I'm going to be going back and forth with the colors and trying to get to how I want it to be. Nice and blended and more of a smoky kind of color instead of, you know, having it so low. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing at the moment. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking Gem and applying that all over my lid. This is going to be my lid color and basically the base for my glitter. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking Bling Bling and I'm going to be spraying that with my spray so it's more pigmented and vibrant. And I'm just going to be applying that in my inner corner just to brighten it up right there. Going in with my NYX liner, I'm just going to be tight lining my lashes so I can have somewhere to stick my lashes, my fake lashes at the end. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking this mixed glitter that I mixed and I'm just going to be taking my glitter glue and applying that all over my lid so I can apply the glitter. Alright, now I'm just taking my lash curler and my mascara, you know, just prepping my lashes before I put on my falsies. The lashes that I'm going to apply are G800. You can find these in AliExpress. I'll have them linked down below. Alright, so now that I have both of my eyes done, I'm just going to be taking this Ultimate Base black liner and tight lining my waterline. Just the top, not the bottom, just the top. Alright, so just going back in with Rockstar, I'm just going to be taking this on my lower lash line and I'm going to be smoking it out. Alright, now I'm just going back in with my mascara and applying it to my lower lashes. Alright, now I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and I'm going to be taking Starburst and Mimosa. And I'm going to be mixing these two and applying this on my face for my highlight. Alright, so now with the same glow kit, I'm just going to be taking Starburst and applying that on my brow bone. Alright, so now I'm taking the LA Colors matte lip gloss in the shade Kiss and Tell. I thought this was more like a purple shade, but I obviously saw it wasn't. So then I switch it up to the NYX lip cream matte. Yeah, to the NYX lip cream, and this was purple. This was in the shade Cellar Saves. I can't even pronounce it. But yeah, then I take this on top and that's what made it look more purple to me. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and this look. Also, this is a close-up right here that I'm showing you guys. And thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!